Akinale representing Ondo Central. Honorable Minister and then Executive Director of BOI, I have one fundamental question to ask for clarifications. We as democratically elected representative people in the legislature, sometimes in May this year, we were asked to provide some names for a grant of 3.2 million each. I don't know whether it is the finances through BOI, but we are made to understand that this is intervention fund to assist small scale enterprises to grow. And we are made to understand that 3.2 million naira with a minimum of about 5,000 beneficiaries per state, between 3,000 to 5,000 per state. Candidates were supplied to the state's coordinator. And for my state, for instance, I, as a senator, I was asked to provide about 300 names in my 6 local governments for a grant, not a loan, of 3.2 million. Thereafter, after submissions, they were made to register officially, capturing their data, everything. At the point of disbursement, state governments were involved. The name of the program was NG Cares. NG Cares. That's what they told us it is to us. People were already happy that this administration meant well for people in the grassroots, because 3.2 million grant for a small-scale enterprise like a fashion designer or a mechanic or a canteen owner will make significant difference to the life of the people. The people were involved. They asked them to come and capture. They did all these things. But last month, we were told that state government hijacked it. They now reduce the NG care to Ondo cares as far as Ondo State is concerned. Oyo State reduces on to Oyo State cares. But it's Nigeria government cares, that's the name, original, that takes 3.2 million grant. They meant well for Nigeria. But after the state government hijacked it, we were told that the figure of 3.2 million have been reduced to only 300,000 naira in Ondo State, 250,000 in Oyo State. I don't know of other states. Then the number of beneficiaries again was reduced from over 3,000 to only 100. Then we were confused that what has really transpired. We want you to throw more light on this because people are not happy. The people we represent are not happy. They talk whether it is senators that have hijacked it and changed to their pocket. That's why I'm telling the whole Nigeria that we don't know anything, but the state government will come and explain with BOI why this program has been issued, and along the line after names of people have been captured, their account number have been captured. They were expecting to receive fund grant, and new story come to play. That it is now 100 beneficiaries in the whole Ondo State, where over 3,000 people have registered. In Oyo State, only 250. So we became confused. We want you to throw more light to this, Mr. ED, to tell us the real position, so that people in the constituents will know that senators and House of Rep members are not the changing this gear along the line. We want you to explain to the whole Nigeria. Thank you.